The best tips to effectively implement your recruitment process. So far, we've learned all about the recruitment process, but what makes it successful? And how can you effectively implement your recruitment process? We'll be sharing all the tips and tricks you will need in this video. Brand your own company. You need to tell a story that captivates potential hires and sells them on your company's brand and what it represents, just like you would with a customer. Your website and your social media platform should clearly convey this. For example, you can create videos about the employees and their well-being on your social media. Seeing this will attract potential prospects. Maximize employee referrals. Did you know that 96% of big companies use referrals as their first recruitment process? Employee referrals are beneficial in different ways. It takes less time and is less costly. It also builds a more trusted resource. Work as much as your competitors, but always put honesty first. Create a compensation package that is difficult to say no to. However, make sure to communicate if there are lagging aspects within the company and explain why they exist. Build a strong talent network. Build your potential hires long before you even open a job position. You can do this by creating communities of engagement through social media. Learn and implement predictive analytics. Use your HR metrics to predict and measure the effectiveness of your recruitment process. Pop that personal touch. To keep top potential hires interested, you need to send them personalized messages. Keep it short and simple. About 60% of people quit midway through their application because it's simply too time-consuming. Don't overcomplicate it because you may lose top hires. Embrace mobile. An effective hiring strategy requires a clean and well-branded mobile presence for your company. Attract remote employees. We've learned that remote work can be successful, so don't let distance stop you from hiring your best candidate. Make sure, however, to have a realistic and clear plan for managing these remote employees. Befriend colleges and high schools. If you're struggling to find the perfect candidate from the market, approach colleges and high school graduates for potential candidates. Invest in recruiters. You won't regret this because good recruiters will bring in the best candidates for your business. With this video series, we hope that you have now learned the important role of recruitment to the growth of your business, how to structure your recruitment process, and the best ways to implement it effectively.